This is pre-calculus assignment 46 and problem number 15. So for problem number 15, I just determined how I could write each of these pieces with the same base. And there's actually two ways you can do it. You can do it with base of 2, or you can do it with the base of 4. So I did it with base of 4, but if you want to see it with base of 2, let me know. So this first expression, 1 over 64, I rewrote as 4 to the power of negative 3, because it's in the denominator, and then I took that to the power of negative x. This part of it, the equation, 16 is obviously 4 squared, all to the power of negative 2x. And on the right side of the equal sign, we have 16, which is just 4 to the second power. And then I simplified this a little bit, because when you're multiplying the same base, you actually add the exponents. So negative 3 times negative x multiplies to get 3x, but then you want to add it to this exponent, 2 times negative 2x, which is negative 4x. And now you have the same base of 4 on the left and the same base of 4 on the right. Go ahead and combine the 3x and the negative x to get negative 1x. Set that equal to 2. And so positive x is equal to negative 2.